Alright, here we go. Got the pins and bushings for the hinges today, so let's go ahead and install them. There we go. As you can see, that needs to be redone there. These original hinges came with the plastic bushings. As you can see right there, it's plastic. Where the new ones is some kind of brass. So yeah. So let's go ahead and install that. I went on and cut this down to the exact size of what I needed and kind of grinded the end of it down like the original. So yeah, let me go ahead and install these bad boys. Alright, what I'm probably going to do is go ahead and grind this pin here down more flush with this hinge here so I can get my chisel in there and hammer it straight on through a little easier. If I hit on it now, I'm scared it's going to shroom up on me and mess up, so I might as well just grind it on down. So yeah. Alright, got it grinded down. So I'm going to put the chisel on the end, hammer that bad boy through. Just do it the old fashioned way, put it in the vise and do my thing. That wasn't too bad. Alright, here we go. We'll pop that old one out. Piece of plastic. Probably gonna put a little grease in there. Probably don't have to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, I'm going to be real easy. I guess you could press these in, or you could tap them on in there and just be real careful. Keep them straight. Like that number right there. Gonna do this side the same way. Making sure it lines up pretty good. There we go. That new pin. Of course, this is the one I cut down right here. It came out this way, and it's going to go back this way. Alright. Alright, looking pretty good. Alright, let me hit them other ones. Alright, I'm going to set these in here real easy again. Just right on the end. Kind of keep it looking good and flush. Tap that bad boy in like that. Alright, all the pins put in. Ain't looking bad at all. Everything went in pretty simple, really. Had a little problem on one knocking it out, but it come on out. But yeah, got the bolts, got them in etch primer, ready to go. I'll get these hinges put on these two doors here so I can put them on the cab and get all this stuff sanded together. But yeah, but that's it. Alright, you guys take it easy.